On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram collaboration problem. So there is three ways to fix it. The first way is just go to the Play Store right here and then go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this, and it will show you the Instagram app. All what you have to do here is click on this update option, and after you click on it, all what you have to do is wait a few seconds or a few minutes and then restart your phone and reopen Instagram. The second way is just you have to go to the settings, go to the apps, Instagram, click on force stop and go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. This is the second way. And the third way and the last one is make sure that your phone is on the date. As you can see right here, if you have not selected the date of today, you may have this problem. So make sure that the date on your phone is good. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.